Take a ride in the 2017 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, trip computer, power locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.